Hey, what's going on, guys? We just released the drop point mount, and we wanted to kind of do some demonstrations and show some of the capabilities and the thought behind the system, because we didn't just drill holes in aluminum and then bolt it to the body. A lot of thinking that went into this system. Main things that we were trying to tackle when developing this: we don't want our leg to put input into the gun. I don't want to move my leg and then have that also change the angle of the gun, especially when I'm running, and then also when I'm in a seated position. If it's attached to my leg, then when I move it forward, it changes the actual angle, making an inconsistent draw stroke. The comfort piece, right? So when I'm sitting in the car, it's the same draw stroke as if I'm standing, right? We get tons of reps sitting here drawing from a standing position. Well, let's try to keep it as consistent as we possibly can. So if I'm sitting in the car or like this, it doesn't impede. The other thing is the way that this leg strap is built. The drop itself never actually touches your body. No aluminum actually presses on your body. It's the actual curve material that displaces the weight. So when you do press into it, it doesn't create a hot spot or a pressure point on there. And then also, as you can see here, the drop point, it also has curves to it. So it keeps the curve of the belt without creating a flat spot, because especially on our hips, when we have flat spots on our hips and then in this area, that's where it tends to create pressure point on areas that we want to keep curved. And then also the way this is built to run on molly. So this system will now work through the molly, and we'll get full Velcro contact area all the way on the back side. Some of these systems, they end up covering up some of the Velcro, and then the pistol is going to be the heaviest thing on the belt, which has the least amount of Velcro, and now it has the most movement. All we're trying to do is keep it comfortable and consistent.